Welcome in the new tutorial. In last tutorial we have again understand this nested if. So in this tutorial I am going to teach you data filtration methods which you can use in multiple ways. So how this will work? So let us consider that this is our header row, right? And we want to analyze this data. So we want to find out that how many tasks is under overdue condition. So it is required to see by scrolling this over the sheet, but it is sometimes complicated. So that's why what we have to do, we have to filter this first row. How will do? Just select this first row and over here one filter is available. You can apply this thing. Let us give many examples. We want to find out that how many tasks is over here. Right now all the task is under the March, but we want to find out that how many tasks is assigned to 1st March. So over here you can just find out that on the 1st March these many tasks are assigned to the person. Now you want to find out that on 17th March how many. By selecting you can do this thing. So for clearing the filter you have to utilize this clear filter, right? So here is the one way by which you just can analyze this data. Now you want that how many tasks is assigned to the John Carter. By selecting this John Carter you can find out, or we can say Abagali Reach. So here are the tasks is assigned to the Abagali Reach. So here is the second thing. But now what I want that how many tasks is overdue. So you have to select this overdue. So till now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks is under overdue condition. So clearing this data. And right now I want to find out that for this, let's say Trent Marvin, here are the number of tasks is assigned to him. And we want to find out that how many tasks is overdue and closed. Or we can say, let's say days left and overdue. That means that how many tasks are work in progress condition to this Trent Marvin. So we can find out that these are the two tasks under which one task is about 148 days left and one is overdue. So you have to give reminder to this Trent Marvin. So by applying multiple filter you find out how many tasks are overdue or completed. So hope you understand. Let us find out how many tasks are completed under, let's say, September and October. So just unselect all September, October. Okay. So you will get the data that how many tasks are assigned under September and October. But now if we want to specify that on 20, let's say unselect all, right? And I want that on the September 16, 18, 20, how many tasks were there? You can just find out which were the completed. So by this way you can apply this filter, right? Now you want to analyze in a way that how many tasks is completed on time. That means yes, we have to select yes. Okay. So you have to calculate this thing, but this is a time consuming trick. So I'm just giving some idea how do we counting this thing. So by shift, control and down you can select the cells till the data exists. So there are total 71 counts which are completed on time, either completed or closed. Now we want that how many tasks is not completed on time, but it is completed and closed. So there are total 78 counts which are not completed on time. So these are the way under which this filter command you can utilize this thing. And you can also filter by color also. So if you want to just find out quickly that how many tasks are overdue, but this is filter out. First it will show you the overdue and again all the data will be sorted below. So this is just one way. I am doing Ctrl Z. But this is sort by color. Now you want to filter by color. You just want to find out red. So you can find out this red section, right? Now if you want that selecting some text also you can find out which begins with do, right? And apply OK. So how many tasks is assigned by do which are starting from do, you can select this thing. So practice this thing. Wherever you want to find out some analyze the data, you have to use this filter command. So just I am briefing you this filter command which will help you in many situations. So just practice it. If you have any sort of question, just ask me in question answer session. I will glad to help you in each of your query. See you soon in my next lecture. Bye bye.